faster than we ever know. Morning rise then fade away. Every breath a borrowed day. Hold the light before it fades. Everything return to shade. Babylon draw every line. Turn your labor into mine. Silver chain and paper crown. Build them kingdom upside down. Poor man carry heavy load. Rich man never walk the road. Truth get buried underground. Still Jah word remain the sound. Round and round, the world spin down, up and down, without a sound. Who decide what eyes can see? Who decide what's meant to be? Only Jah remember me on the dark side of the moon. Oh, da-da-da-da. Ancient light, silent sky, beyond the stars, most high. General never smell the smoke, never hear the children choke. Move the army like a game. Every mother cry the same. Different color, different name. Still the blood run just the same. Moon above watch everyone. King and beggar all as one. Some whisper in a sleep, calling from a silence deep. System tell you lose your mind. Blindfold every soul them find. Maybe madness never you. Maybe truth just breaking through. Veil get thinner every year. Ancient voices drawing near. Round and round, the same old song. Empire fall, another crown. Who decide what truth can shine? Who can measure space and time? Only Jah know every sign. On the dark side of the moon. Oh, under the moon. Before compass, map and see. Before history, memory. Before Babylon first throne, there was something all alone, hidden where no eye can roam. Older than creation song, not abandoned, waiting still, calling every soul back home. Every river reach the sea, every chain break eventually. Every heart must cross alone. Leave behind the flesh and bone. Not an ending, not goodbye. Just another piece of sky. Ancient doorway carved in stone. On the dark side of the moon. Round and round till trumpets sound. Lost and found, holy ground. When the final night is through, morning break with perfect view. I'll be waiting there for you on the dark side of the moon. Oh, see you there, where the ancient fires glow. See you there, where no empire ever go. Hear Jah call across the silver sea. See you there, on the dark side, waiting for